Now, as we all know, Paws airdrop claim is activated. So from this moment till 15th of March, you can claim your Paws airdrop to the exchange. So in this video, I want to show you step by step how to claim to Bybit and Bitget exchange. Let's get on immediately. So now this is the site that you're going to use, paws.community/app. I'm going to copy this to my Google Chrome. It will land you on this page. The next thing you want to do is to click on TG dashboard, then choose Phantom Wallet. So I believe you have already connected your Paws community website to your Phantom Wallet. So you choose Phantom Wallet. If you didn't do that, definitely you have to choose Paws Telegram app so that you can then connect from Telegram to the site. And from the site, you will be able to do your claiming and all of that. But for now, if you have already integrated the Paws website inside your Phantom Wallet, all you need to do is to pick the Phantom Wallet. So I'm going to click on Phantom Wallet. I am in my Phantom Wallet. The next thing is for me to confirm because it is connecting to the wallet I use to integrate my Paws Telegram app. All right. So I'm going to click on confirm. You can see it has opened me to my airdrop point. So the next thing I wanted to do is to click on next, then click on claim. Then tick this box to agree to the terms and click on continue. Then click on centralized exchanges, right? So you have two options here, Bybit and Bitget, meaning that Paws is going to be listed on Bybit and Bitget on the 18th of March. You pick either of the two, pick any one you want to use. I believe you should have these exchanges already. Now, for the Bitget, we have two Bitget apps. We have the Bitget custodian wallet, which is a Web3 wallet app. It is different. Then we have the Bitget exchange. So we are using the Bitget exchange, not Web3 wallet. We are using the Bitget exchange. So I'm going to start with Bybit. I'm going to click on Bybit. So you say, do you have a Bybit account? If you don't have a Bybit account, you will have to create one and register, verify your identity with your means of identification. That's very, very important. If you don't have that in place, if you don't have your account verified, you won't be able, you can receive token, but you won't be able to carry out any transaction. You won't be able to withdraw. You must register and verify your account with your means of identification. In my case, I already have a Bybit account. So I'm going to click on yes, I do. Now it's asking me to put my Bybit UID and deposit address. That's the Paws deposit address. Now I'm going to head over to my Bybit wallet. I am on my Bybit exchange. The first thing I want to do is to copy my UID. I will click on my profile here, then copy my UID. This is my UID. I'm going to copy it, then head over and paste it here, and paste the UID here. The next thing is the deposit address. I'm going to go back to my Bybit wallet. Then click on assets, then click on funding. So I'm using funding. Then on the search bar here, type Paws. Then you see Paws. So click on it. Then click on deposit. It will take you here. Click on Sol. Okay. Then copy your address. Copy your deposit address here. Head over to my Phantom wallet. Then paste the address here. All right. Then click on continue. So it's showing you everything. You can change the address if you want to before you continue. You click on continue. The moment you click on continue, you are done. Next, let me show you how to claim on Bitget exchange. Now, open your Bitget exchange. Head over to your profile. Copy your UID. Then head back to your Phantom wallet and paste your Bitget UID on the provided space. Next is the deposit address. Head back to your Bitget exchange, click on assets, click add fund, click deposit crypto. On the search bar, type Paws, then click on Paws and copy your Paws Solana address. Head back to your Phantom wallet and paste the address on the deposit address space. Click continue, click confirm and finished. That is all. You are done. If you love this video, give me a follow or subscribe based on which social media platform you are watching this video from. Thank you.